Hey Mom, it's Todd. I wanted to give you another video that showed you how to back stuff up or put stuff into your phone. You got this cable that comes with, your phone. And what you want to do is take that cable. This is the same cable that you plug it into the wall. I've just removed the wall end. And you put one end of it into the phone, like this. There we go. And I'm just going to set this down over here. Now the other end of it, the larger USB end of it, needs to go in the computer. So I'm going to turn my laptop here a little bit here. And I'm going to plug this in right here like this. And all of a sudden everything's going to wake up as they start sensing that each other is doing stuff. So let's see, on the phone here, we want to swipe the screen and put this camera down if I can. I think that should do it. And turn the laptop back around. There we go. Hopefully you can see what's going on here. Something like that. Alright. And I'll put this down where you can see a little better. So, on my phone, I have to tell the phone that it's alright for this laptop to be connected. So I pull down my notification bar, and you'll notice that it says connected as a media device up here in the notification bar. I can click that, and I can select different things, but actually I'm pretty much okay with that. That's fine. So, but you'll notice up there in the top corner of the phone that it says that I'm connected via USB. That's what that little symbol is. So there, I'm connected. And on my computer, I'll just set the phone down. On my computer, I can see this little pop-up, this autoplay. Now if I open the device to view the files, it is going to open up this window, and you can see that I have two storage locations on my phone. Okay, one of them is the memory on the phone itself. That's what comes with your phone. Part of the phone. You can't remove it, it's part of the phone. The other part is the SD card that I bought and filled up with movies. And you can see my SD card that's filled up with movies is pretty much filled up with movies, and the phone is not. So if I go into my phone itself and I go into the DCIM folder, that's where the camera folder is, and that's where I'm going to start seeing all the photos and videos I've been taking. And if I want one, I can just grab it and drag it right out here to my desktop, and there it is. Happens to be business card of Bill Schutt that I loaded. There's that image there. But so there it is. I just took that from my phone and I brought it right out to my computer. I'll grab another one here. I have no idea what these are. This one happened to be a photo I took at work of a couple motorcycles. So if you see what I'm doing. Now if I wanted to do the same thing in reverse, let's say that I wanted to add this photo on my computer. I want to add that to my phone. I could just come into my phone, pick a folder I wanted it to go in. Let's say I wanted to put it in the DCIM folder. And I could drag it from the computer into the phone. And there it is. Now it's in my phone. I'm going to delete it because I don't actually want that in there. But you can just drag files back and forth. If I want to see what's in my SD card, I could just go into the SD card instead, and it has, let's say the movies folder. Here's all my movies that I converted from DVD, or here's my music folders that I have. If I want to copy a music file from the phone to the computer, I just would drag it like that, and there it is. I could then click on it and play it right on my computer. Especially if I turned on the volume, that always helps. So anyways, there is kind of a demonstration of how to move files back and forth. One thing that people tend to like to do is to back up their files. So I'll give you an example. Let's say, for example, you've taken a lot of photos on your phone, I'm going to go back into that DCIM camera folder, and I'm going to see all these photos have been taken. What some people like to do is go onto their computer and make a folder and maybe take those photos that are in there. You know, they'll select all of them and drag them into the folder and back them up. So if the phone, you know, gets dunked in water or destroyed or lost, that at least they're not losing all those photos. So you want to usually figure out some way to back up all that stuff. Okay, that's how some people do it. And when you're done and you want to disconnect your phone, all you have to do is just take the cable that's going into your phone and take it out. So take this cable out, and then I'll unplug the one that's in the computer and set it aside there. And now my phone is free, and so is the cable and the laptop. We're all back to normal.